into Sunday. Rain is the favored precipitation type, but a narrow band of wet snow cannot be ruled out for Saturday night or Sunday. Forecaster confidence in the details is low and likely will not increase until 24 to 48 hours before the event. Spotter information statement: spotter activation will not be needed. This is
the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones were a test of a NOAA All Hazards radio public warning alarm system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. The emergency alert system codes and alarm tones are used by weather warning and emergency messages for 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Donovan counties in northeast Kansas, and Holton, Atchison counties in northwest Missouri. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.